If you need a protective case for your iPhone 13, 14, or 15, the OtterBox Defender is a great choice. We've really loved it, and there's 3 pieces that it comes with. Actually 4. There's a clip that I don't have shown here, but to put it together, just put your phone in the bottom part of the case, then put the top on, and there's going to be latches in different parts around the case on the phone, and just make sure those latches are securely snapped, and you'll hear a snapping sound when these go together. And then once you get that all secure, this protective rubber outer coating, just you can just kind of work it into place. You may need to push from the outer edges to get it to come over the lip of the rest of the case, and then press in the rest of the flaps there that offer extra protection. And it's just got a great feel to it, just extremely protective for drops, which we all have with our phones. And so I really like how this feels in my hand, and it's still slippery enough that you can put it in your pocket, take it around with you. So now that I got all the covers plugged in and pushed in, I'm ready to go with this. Super protected. Highly recommend this Defender case. Thanks for watching.